Minimizing living expenses with the help of information and services online is an attractive possibility, especially if you already use a computer for broadband internet connection and a webcam. But keep in mind there's no quick fix. Discipline when spending is the best ally for saving money.
Step 1. Various websites offer the possibility of getting coupons or discounts in stores, restaurants, and other local places that you can print off from your computer or use directly from your smartphone. Some places to get coupons are Groupon.com, Coupons.com, and SmartSource.com. Step 2. The internet can help you find the gas station with the best prices in your area. GasBuddy.com and GasPrices.MapQuest.com allow you to do this. The first one offers a search system and applications for your phone. The second one maps the location of these stations with the highest and lowest prices in your area. Step 3. Skype allows its users to communicate from computer to computer for free, including video conferencing. Skype also offers calls to cell phones and long distance at a low price. Step 4. Shopping online can be less expensive than traditional shopping, and there's a greater variety of products online. Almost all large chains offer stores online, and some like Amazon.com and eBay.com are leaders of the trade. A credit card is usually necessary to shop online. Step 5. One step to saving money is to know what you spend money on and what your balance is. Almost all banks offer online services where depositors can check their balance, make deposits, and pay for their service.
With online banking, you won't have to send checks through the mail. You'll save time and stamps.